Hello and welcome everyone to my channel, Decent. Today I am going to teach you how to send unlimited free SMS for any country. Please don't skip this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell to never miss and further interesting tips and tricks videos. And let's get into our topic. Just open any browser into your PC or mobile, then search bulk SMS. Then scroll down. And click in the link bulks.sm.s.com. Then new page interface will open, and click in Sign Up, which is in top right corner. After clicking an IP, you will be redirected to the new register page. And fill the form as asked. But never fill your original email address because it will send spam message to your email address. So for email address, open new tab, search temporary mail. And you will get temporary mail. And copy it. And paste it in the place of email address. After filling, check the button I have read and accept the terms and condition. Then click in Submit. After clicking it, new page interface will open, and OTP is sent to your phone number. Enter the verification code, and click in Submit. After clicking it, then you will be redirected to the home page of bulk SMS. Then you can see credit 5, in the top right. And click on Got It. You will get 3 to 5 message free offer in one ID. Then enter a phone number. Be careful, phone number should be with country code. I have entered my own phone number to show proof. And type a message. And scroll down, then click on Send button. To check whether the message is sent or not, you can click in Send Message in left row, and you can see Check button, which means message is sent. You can send only 3 to 5 message with one account. After credit is finished, then log out and register new account. Open a new tab and search Text Me Now. You can get online phone number, which can be used as temporary phone number to get SMS or to verify in different website. You can copy the phone number and place it in the place of phone number and repeat the process and verify with it. Then enjoy another 5 message. After finishing 5 message, you can again register it with new temporary phone number.